Hey everybody, we're back over here in the 57 shop car and want to talk about a product that's on our website and product that we've had for a very, very long time. This is part number 389. This is the Door J Seal. I used a Door J Seal on every Tri-5 ever built. So I know there's some people are going to say, well, it's not on my car. Well, it needs to be. Otherwise, if it doesn't, anytime you wash it or if you just happen to drive it in the rain, this area here is going to fill up with water. So this is where it goes. It starts out below the top door hinge, wraps around, comes back up toward the vent window assembly. And that seals this area here from water. Because what happens is water flows in from here, comes in, and if it don't, it just, like I said, fills up the front floor pan. We get these from Precision Replacement Parts. And an issue that is with not Precision brand, but seems to be these Door J Seals, period, regardless of what brand that you get. And we've had them all. So they all have the same problem. They seem to have a whole lot of silicone compound in it. So you take that plus a ton of clear coat on the car, and what happens is it won't stick. So what we normally recommend for any kind of door weather strip adhesion is going to be 3M's 8008, which is the black weather strip adhesive. We sell this on the website as well. However, on the Door J Seal, we don't recommend using that. What we do recommend using is gel super glue. And you're thinking, super glue, that's going to run everywhere. Well, not if you get the gel form. So what we recommend doing is putting this either on the seal or put the seal on here and kind of give yourself an outline and then put it on there. Stick it, let it get where it's going to stay, gently close the door, and walk away from it for a day, guys. Don't be opening and closing it. Just pick a day where you're just about done. And Herman brought up a very good point when we were talking about this earlier. These are a pain to put on with the door off. So be forewarned getting down here, especially because this has a couple of clips that pop in a couple of different spots that they're tough to put in with it on the door, or, door on the car. So just be forewarned. But again, when you're using this, make sure you use the gel super glue. There's a warning label we put on our product telling you this, but you can pick this up at any part store, Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, wherever. Any place that sells super glue usually has this. We just happen to buy the Loctite brand. Don't have to be the Loctite brand. Any other form of it will work good. But make sure you use it. Gel super glue. Again, this is part number 389 on the website. If you should need some 8008, that's our part number 1599. That's on the site as well. So get them both today at H&H.